All right, guys. So we actually have a official ChatGPT Plus announcement. This came out yesterday, and I'm looking at the OpenAI website. Let's see what they say. So it's actually going to be $20 a month. Previous um, information was leaked at $40 a month, so that's good to hear. I mean, $20 a month. Um, it's not too bad. Remember, this is for businesses, so considering the budget of businesses, that's actually not bad. So let's see, you get access even during peak times, you get faster response times, you get priority access to new features and improvements. This is all stuff that we already knew, but the price decrease is nice. It's only available in the US. You can go to the waitlist, which this is looks like. Um, this may or may not be the same waitlist that I sent in a previous video. So if you want to sign up, I guess go over to the waitlist. I'll have this linked in the description. So let's see. They're talking about the research preview that we've all been using, that we all know and love. They've made, yeah. So basically, it was a research preview. They used all the data and feedback to now they have an official product. So let's see, is this the same link? That is that's a different one. Oh, this is the API waitlist. That's interesting. Okay. So is this they're exploring options for lower cost plans, business plans, and data packs. Okay. Well, that's cool. There's an API waitlist now. I'm gonna sign up for this right now actually, because that sounds really interesting. What's this? Okay. Well, this is probably for like GPT-3 and stuff. Okay. Well, that's interesting. All right, that was pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys that it's official. We have ChatGPT Plus, but um it didn't really touch on it in this article, but I think they're still going to allow like a free tier. It's just that during peak times they won't, you won't get access during the peak times, which is kind of how it already is. So I think that they will keep the free tier, but I'm not sure because, like I said, they didn't even mention it in this article. Well, what did it say down here? Um, lower cost plans, business plans. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about being free, but I think they're gonna keep it free. But like I said, not sure. Anyways, I'm repeating myself. Thanks for watching.